Alright folks, let's talk about the Keychron Q1 Pro Wireless. And let me tell you, this thing is a beast. If you're in the market for a premium, customizable 75% keyboard, you absolutely need to check this out. First off, the build quality is insane. Full aluminum body, CNC machined, polished, anodized, the whole 9 yards. It feels incredibly solid and premium, like a tank, but in a good way. Now, let's talk about the wireless functionality. Bluetooth 5.1 connects to up to 3 devices, and switching between them is super smooth. I've been using it with my laptop, tablet, and phone, and it's been flawless. Plus, the battery life is ridiculous. We're talking up to 100 hours. I've barely had to charge this thing. And if you do need to charge it, or prefer a wired connection, it's got USB Type-C. But here's where things get really interesting. The Q1 Pro is fully programmable with QMK and VIA. This means you can remap any key, create macros, shortcuts, whatever you want. It's incredibly powerful and opens up a whole world of customization. Just plug it in, drag and drop your desired functions, and boom, you've got a completely personalized keyboard. And the best part? The key maps you create in wired mode work wirelessly too. Now, for the typing experience. The Q1 Pro comes with pre-lubed Keychron K Pro banana switches, which have a nice tactile bump. They feel really smooth and responsive. But the real magic is the hot swappable sockets. Don't like the banana switches? No problem. You can swap them out for virtually any 3-pin or 5-pin MX switch without any soldering. It's incredibly easy and makes this keyboard incredibly versatile. And let's not forget the double gasket design. Keychron has added gaskets not only on the plate, but also between the top and bottom cases. This helps to dampen any unwanted noise and vibrations, resulting in a much more satisfying and thocky typing experience. Trust me, it makes a difference. The keycaps are also worth mentioning. They're PBD double shot, which means the legends won't fade. They also have a nice, sculpted profile that feels great under your fingers. And of course, we've got RGB lighting. Plenty of customization options there, too, if you're into that sort of thing. You can adjust the brightness, color, effects, and even remap the lighting keys using QMK VIA. So, is the Keychron Q1 Pro wireless worth it? Absolutely. It's a premium keyboard with top-notch build quality, tons of features, and endless customization options. Whether you're a gamer, a programmer, or just someone who appreciates a good typing experience, this keyboard has something to offer. It's definitely an investment, but it's one that I think is well worth it. This thing is a game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.